This is my sister's carpet. Swimming in the ocean, swimming in the ocean. I'm gonna eat some sand, gonna eat some sand, gonna eat some sand. Nasty. We're making out with this pretty pony. Making out with this pretty pony. So, darling, are you free tonight? Tickets! I need some tickets. I need some tickets. I am a movie star. I'm Bella, and this is Edward. We're like totally off of Twilight. So yeah, we're Twilight people. Bella and Edward. Jacob couldn't make it today. Actually, Jacob could. I'm Jacob. Jacob couldn't make it. He just don't want to be on TV. There's no camera here. Yes, there is. There is a camera here. I call the recorder. Jacob. Always there for the rescue. Jacob, don't go. I hate you. Jacob, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Oh, Jacob, I love you. I love you forever. Okay, let me finish what I do. Coming back from that dog stand. I need another hot dog. I'm so hungry. How do we get in this door? Yeah, I'm standing on a tree. Looking at the pretty birdie. Scratching his eye out. Oh, damn. Okay, just gonna kind of fall. Yeah. Oh, that's a laundry. Awesome. This was like, I got my manicure and yeah, so, oh man, they forgot to give me my cash. You forgot my cash. You forgot my cash. You forgot my cash. Hello, you forgot my cash. They forgot my cash. Oh, come here, it's gonna be alright. Did that make it better? Good. Walking out of my house. Walking. Vroom. Yeah. Don't leave me. Jake, don't leave me. You're dead. You're dead. Under one condition. No! It's going to the Edward, you'll never get me. Okay. Swimming. Jib. Customer service. They locked the door.